My name is Scott Cox, Retail Parts Sales Director for PacCharge Parts UK, and today we're here to give you a demonstration and some additional information on PacCharge Parts 7 kilowatt charger. So with the change of people moving away from modern diesel and petrol cars, I found myself in a similar situation, moving to a hybrid. Obviously some people with electric vehicles, so I required a charger at home so I could charge my car and travel out on business. So quite easy, ordered the charger through PacCharge Parts. The lead time was short, again because they had it in stock, so it was direct ship into the dealer. Again, installation was fine, found a local electrical specialist to install, and again it's so easy to use, which I'm going to give you a demonstration shortly. So the benefit of this particular model is that it's actually single phase as opposed to three phase, so perfect for charging cars and vans, not only for domestic use at homes but also within dealerships and customer premises. So despite a small investment, for me I wanted also confidence, and that's the benefit of ordering this particular charger, because it gives you 36 months standard warranty. So with the rise of energy prices, for me I also wanted to track the cost of a charge each time, and this unit also comes with an app in place called Charger Sync. So if you input your kilowatt rate, it gives me an accurate cost for each charge within the mobile application. What I also quite like, for any reason I may not have my key fob, I can also activate the charging through the mobile app. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Turn up, grab the cable this end, open the flap on your car, plug it in, and then grab my key fob, and I can activate the charger and you'll hear it go beep. Simple as that. Yeah, so for me, quick check, I know it's charging because the blue light indicator is flashing. In addition, on the unit here, the two flashing lights shows one, the vehicle is charging, and secondly, I'm connected to the mobile app. A nice little feature also is for security. Once it's charging, it locks it in so the cable can't be stolen. So in summary, the PacCharge charger is easy to obtain, short lead times, easy to install, easy to use, and for me is about the ability to track the cost of charging.